Hi there. I'm here today to explain a little bit about, first, the program Scrivener, in particular their comic script format, and second, why I decided to use it to script my visual novel that I'm working on. Scrivener is a writing program. You can see it right here. One of the reasons I like it is because of how you can sort of organize your story page. There's nested folders you can make, or you can just have pages going on down. I like to split it up into sort of bite-sized chunks here so it doesn't go too long before I switch to the next page, and just chunk it up into timestamps more or less in the timeline and keep it organized that way. And sort of sock away these things into folders after I'm done with them so that I can keep my new workspace kind of clean. Another thing I like about Scrivener is these characters and settings corkboards, which in my case I've been using to basically figure out what art assets I need and write short descriptions of them. There are also research and notes corkboards if you need any web pages or images or anything for inspiration or reference. You can just stick them right in here. Now about the comic script format, there's a little sample here to show exactly what you can do with it, and all this formatting actually comes from this drop down over here. We have page number, panel description, and dialogue. The way I'm using this to write a branching narrative is through choices. Here you can see we have a dialogue choice, 2 choices, the stats, it's the way it will affect the stats for each one. That will not be visible in the final game. And in the next panel, I have the immediate effects of that choice. Later on, there will be further effects from that choice when the variable is called, so to speak, and we have to figure out whether the player can do what they've chosen to do according to whether their stats are high enough. So that's a little bit about Scrivener and why I'm using it to do a visual novel script in, and thank you very much for listening. Have a great day.